as you can see, a little bit of a problem this year. Or today, I should say. Now, this is from last fall. That's from jumping curbs. Yeah, I caught a few of them, so I'm going to have to straighten that up. And I pulled it up on the wrench because I have to change the hydraulic oil. So it's at its $500 and needs to be changed. And I got to clean all this garbage up because I never got to it last fall. And also the gauges are not working on both sides, so them are coming out too. Using Mobil 1 1550. Takes 4.5 quarts per side. Filters. So, 2 filters, can of red paint, 9 quarts of oil, because I can't get this in gallons. $190. So, yeah, it's not cheap to replace all this stuff, but it's got to be done about every 500 hours. So let's get after it. Okay, transmission is ZT5400. Normally, on the hydro gears, they have a spin-on filter, but this one is a cartridge. And I don't know what size that is, but I don't know if I'm going to have to take this spring off or not. I don't think I will, but we're going to try and get by without it. So, yeah, I don't know what size that is. Inch maybe? 7/8? I don't know. Let's check it out. I don't know if I'm just going to be able to use a regular socket. That is, what is that? That is 1 1/8 inch. Let's see. It was on there pretty decent. Yeah, this is about annoying. There we go. This is the messy part. So let's take the cap off. That's not too bad. Let's set this off to the side. Let's open the cap up on top. Damn it, I keep smashing into these every time I get up. Gotta remember them are there. Should make a big difference down there. And there you go. Big difference. Well, it looks pretty clean for $500 on it, but it is synthetic oil. Okay, this plug right here has got to come out, and I have to fill this up till the oil starts coming out of there. So yeah, that's pretty good size there. So let's get an Allen wrench on that. Yeah, okay. Oh, that was pretty easy. Should be an O-ring on the back of that. Okay, flat washer. Yep, there's an O-ring on it. let more oil come out. Yeah, the sprig's kind of in the way, but I worked past it. Yeah, don't look too awful bad. But it's oil soaked and everything, but yeah, brother. This give me a mess, so I'm just going to set it in here and let the funnel drain it out. Gonna put a little bit of oil around just so it'll slide over the thing there. The whatever you want to call it. Goes in pretty easy once you get the spring out of the way, so make sure it seats in there though. Seems like it. Yep, she's in there. Okay, I'm gonna clean this off. Pull the O-ring out. Save the O-ring, you might need it for later for something. Put some oil on the new one. It's all over my fingers. Nice about these gloves. Fingers stay clean, but it gets everything else. Let's see if I get this in there without dropping it in the bucket there. Or cross-threading it. There we go. That's pretty decent there. Start cleaning this mess up. So otherwise it's going to drip all over everywhere for a long time. Loud noises. Yeah, that's a little slippery. Okay, now comes the pain in the butt part. Dumping all this oil in. Yeah, I could use a funnel, but I'm going to be putting it in both tanks, so yeah, it should be okay. Four and a half quarts. Now I'm going to fill this until it starts coming out where that drain plug is, and don't overfill this because it only goes in so fast. First mistake. Forgot how fast it went in, or how slow it drains. So this is going to take a while. That's why I'm filling both of them at the same time. So I'm going to do one quart on one side and another quart on the other side. This time I'll look down inside so it doesn't flow up over top. I'm filling this other side first because that plugs, or the pan's underneath that side. So yeah, let's try not to make too much of a mess. Side's going down pretty slow. Still going down though. I don't know if I got all the oil out, so 4.5. It might not take 4.5 per side, but we'll see. Fourth quart. Oops, I spilled a little bit. This will be washed up before I take it out. Never got washed in the fall. Now is where we start checking underneath there, see if it's coming out yet. Just want to catch it just as it's starting so it doesn't get too messy. Yeah, okay. Oops, it's coming out of both of them. That was fun. What a mess. What a mess. Every time it gets me. Every single time. That's going to be fun cleaning that up. Okay, now that I made a big old mess, yeah, I threw some Absorbol down underneath the floor, underneath this thing, and yeah, it's going to be taking a little bit of time for the oil to drain down and soak in there. So it's already the one side's already come down quite a ways where it was at. And the part number, I don't remember if I said this on in the beginning of the video or not, but the part number for the filter was 71943. So if you wanted to know what the filter number was for the Proturn 252. So that's going to be it for me for today. Yeah, it's a mess. Anyhow, we have more coming up. I have to straighten out the back guard, which is just twisted around from jumping the curbs and stuff. And I have to rebuild completely that blower assist there because, yeah, it wore through there pretty good last year. And with 500 hours on it and the sand that we have in our area, yeah, it wore it out already. So I'm going to be replacing the bearings and welding all that new stuff up there. I'm putting a whole new metal in and completely rebuilding it. So anyhow, after all that babbling, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for when the next video is released. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next one.